Which of the following is used to define a constant in Java? Option A is static, option B final, option C constant, option D immutable. Okay, let's check all these options one by one and find out the correct one. Let's check option A first. Option A is static. Static is used to define class level members. So that is why option A is wrong. Okay, let's check option C, const method. Const is a reserved keyword in Java but not used to define a constant in Java. So that is why option C is wrong. Okay, let me just tell you what is reserved keyword in Java. A reserved keyword is a word that Java has set aside for a special use in the language. These words have predefined meanings in the Java compiler and cannot be used as variable names, method names, class names, etc. Even if a reserved keyword is not implemented like const, it is still blocked from being used to avoid conflicts or confusion. So that is why what we can say C option is wrong, because C option is a reserved keyword in Java. Okay, let me just show you the implementation with the help of this example. You can see on your screen. Like if you use const with the variable name is value which is equal to 100 and you are using const before the variable name, so it will throw an error on the output screen if you want to do like that, because const is a reserved keyword in Java and you cannot use it for variable names, for method names, for class names. So here you can see we are using in this example as a variable name, so that is why this is wrong. You cannot do that in the Java. So this is the example for the reserved keyword. Okay, just let me tell you like how many reserved keywords are present in Java. Like just I want to show you some so that you can understand if you encounter again with the same keyword. Okay, so this is examples of a reserved keyword in Java. This is keyword's name which we use, and this is the keyword name which we can't use, like const and goto we can't use in the Java. So which keyword we can use? We can use class, in, if, for, public, static, final. These are the keywords which we can use and these are the keywords which we can't use as a variable names, as a method names, as a class name. Okay, so just let me tell you one more thing before checking the final option. Okay, let's check option D first, that is immutable. Option D first, that is immutable. Not a keyword in Java, it's a concept, not a declaration. So that is why option D is wrong. So only one option is remaining, that is option B, final. And we are looking for which keyword is used to define a constant in Java. So we have seen three options and three options are wrong till now. Now one option is remaining, so we can assume that this option is going to be true. Let me check. With the help of this example, let me explain you why. Because option B is correct. B option is correct. B option is correct. Okay, why it is correct? Just let me tell you how it is correct. With the help of this example, here class name is test and we have the main method. Inside the main method we have variable name x which is having value 10 and we are using the final keyword here. What it will do, it will print 10 on the output screen. Yes, final is a keyword which you can use to define a constant in Java. So that is why you are getting the output as 10. In Java, the final keyword is used to declare constants. Once a variable is declared as final, its value cannot be changed after initialization. So that is why final is a correct option for this question. Final is a correct option. Okay, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one.